If you are a designer or provide designing services to clients on any freelancing website, it is important to use free commercial fonts to avoid copyright issues. Sometimes you will need to gather these fonts on a separate artboard to use for future designs. In this video, I will show you my top 4 websites where you can find thousands of commercial fonts. The first website is BeeFonts.com. If you go there and click on the Free Fonts tab and choose Commercial Free, you will find hundreds of fonts. All these fonts you can use for your designs without problems. They have over 86 pages of free fonts. What I like about BeeFonts is that they provide visual examples for each font to give you an idea of what each font looks like and how each font style can make your design. The second website is Fontspace. You will find links to all these websites in the video description. Fontspace also has a tab for commercial free fonts. They have over 10,000 commercial free fonts that you can use without problems. The third website is Fontdesk.com. If you click on all fonts, you can filter them by free for commercial use fonts. They have over 170 pages of free fonts. Finally, you can also use the Creative Fabrica freebies section. You will find a section for free fonts for commercial use if you go there. They have over 90 pages of free fonts, all of them with visual examples, which I found helpful for ideas. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching.